devotion to quality, a passion for perfection, with absolute precision. Nahar's Laxmi Group, a modern legacy of success through precision to progress. In 1979, a visionary entrepreneur, Subhash Nahar, established Lakshmi Metal Pressing Works in Aurangabad. Across 4 decades, Nahar's Laxmi Group has grown into a dominant player in the automobile component sector, with 10 manufacturing facilities spread across 3 states. A growing symbol of Make in India, producing a wide range of precision-engineered automotive components with cutting-edge technologies on par with the best in the world. Today, Laxmi Group has a large product portfolio ranging from 2-wheeler frames, chassis and mufflers to complete 3-wheeler chassis, cabins, doors, load decks, windshield assembly and laminated safety glasses. Tubular products like swing arm, main stands, RP step, engine mounting cradle and an increasing range of precision components to meet the changing needs of several leading automotive manufacturers and engineering companies in India and overseas. Establishing ultra-modern facilities with large investments in advanced machines and systems. More than 100 presses with capacities ranging from 80 tons to 1000 tons for achieving precise tolerances with high productivity. More than 200 robots are at work across multiple production lines for precision manufacturing of components. Multiple robots operate the assembly lines for the 3-wheeler body, door frames as well as chassis manufacturing. The PTCED coating lines with multiple 7-tank process gives a long-lasting surface finish to the components. The powder coating plants have fully enclosed painting booths. Robotic nozzles ensure consistent coating of colors. The windshields are assembled with glass and fittings as a ready-to-fit automotive component. Manufacturing a wide range of 2-wheeler frames for motorcycles and scooters, including electric vehicles and acoustic mufflers ranging from 110cc to 250cc. CNC tube bending machines help produce components with high precision and tolerances. Special systems are installed for internal painting and furnace curing. In the heat-resistant paint shops, the mufflers undergo multiple rounds of paint coating followed by furnace curing. An ultra-modern tri-nickel chrome plating plant provides multiple-stage advanced surface treatment to components with scratch-resistant properties, aesthetic appeal and durability. The plant has fully automated operations with SCADA control. At the Quality Control Laboratory, components of every batch of production undergo rigorous quality tests. Pollution control systems include advanced fume scrubber extraction systems and effluent treatment plants to ensure zero discharge of any pollutants. Defining growth through forward integration, Laxmi Group established a modern greenfield plant for the production of automotive safety glasses. This state-of-the-art plant incorporates the latest cutting-edge technology machines and systems for high-precision shaping, heat treatment, lamination and testing of glasses. Every batch of glass produced are tested at the Quality Control Laboratory for various parameters. A darkroom lab minutely detects any defects on the laminated glass at the micron level. Adopting the best global practices in manufacturing, such as the TPM practice. Teams at all locations review the tools and techniques daily to ensure optimum productivity with total quality, leading to uninterrupted, just-in-time deliveries to customers. Leveraging our vast experience and technological strength, we are expanding our products portfolio by constantly anticipating the changing needs of customers. Laxmi Group is driven by teams of talented experts with commitment and passion, guided by core values of dedication and integrity. Employing more than 5,000 people, both directly and indirectly, the group is strongly committed to employee welfare, community livelihood, healthcare, and building social infrastructure. Led by a visionary leadership, Nahar's Laxmi Group is scaling new peaks of success for industry and society for a progressive tomorrow. Laxmi Group, precision to progress.